Here are the 3 workflows that business owner will pay thousands of dollars for. Not because they're hard to build, not because they're premium, and not because they are exclusive. In fact, these automation are so easy to set up. Once you know how to do it, it only takes about 20 to 40 minutes to set it up once, and it will continue to work forever. All you need is just a laptop and an internet connection, and you can do this anywhere on the planet. Now, the reason why the business owner will pay so much for this simply because it will make them so much money in return. I charge this business owner thousands of dollars, and this business owner make hundreds of thousands of dollars in commission in return. This guy make 100K in cross commission income.
That's going to generate me within, I've worked out $111,000 GCI when they come out.
From this automation. Yes, you heard that right. Automation. That means I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is just set it up once. And this guy secured a $15,000 listing from a similar automation,
which roughly will be about $15,000 in commission.
So this video, I'm going to show you this exact 3 workflow, how to set it up from scratch. And the best part about it is that once you know how to do it, you set it up once and it continue to work forever. That means you can actually charge this business owner a monthly subscription for actually doing nothing. The first automation is what we call a speed to lead automation. Now, just a quick disclaimer here, guys. Well, I'm going to show you that inside HighLevel software to build this kind of automation, but you can literally do this anywhere. N8N, Zapier, or even use Claude Code agents. We just like to use HighLevel because it's reliable, it's easy, and anyone can do it. All of this software are going to cost you money at some extent anyway. It might not necessarily cost you upfront, but it's going to cost you some money in some sort of extent anyway. For example, Make will charge you a few cents per automation, and these automation need to be running a couple of times per day. So it does add up. Anyway, again, you can use any other software. The concept still the same. You can still apply the same action and the same automation, but we're just going to show you that in HighLevel. So with this automation guide, we already have a snapshot template for anyone who's signed up for our free course. We're going to show you from scratch so you could just build yourself without even getting our snapshot or buy anybody else snapshot or automation. So with HighLevel, we have an AI vibe coding workflow builder right now. I normally like to do old school, just getting each action right, but we're just going to show you both ways. So I'm just going to dictate here. I want to build a speed to lead workflow. When Facebook lead come in, they're going to get call, SMS, WhatsApp, and email immediately for the next 3 days. The first day is going to be quite intense, and then it's going to slow down after that 3-day mark. We're going to have the workflow up into 7 days in total. Now, while AI is working on it, we're going to rename our workflow here. Number 1, speed to lead. I would say this worked pretty well, but however, it's still on beta. And it's just going to ask you a clarified question here. How many total follow-up message emails do you want on day 1? I would say 4. After day 3, how frequent? I would say once per day in total. And then the AI will kind of just like do its own thing. Once you know how to do it, guys, it's 20 to 40 minutes, including testing, connecting it to phone number, setting up email and all that stuff. Once you've done that, it's a one-time job, right? And it's going to continue to work for your client forever, right? So it's going to sketch a 17-step workflow for me. Again, like we're using AI, but after the agent done its own thing, I'm going to show you guys the manual way. Like I always prefer the manual way so I know exactly what I'm building and I want to keep things simple. For example, this AI is going to upgrade us a 17-step workflow. May not necessarily what we need. We probably just need like a few steps. There you go. It's grading a phone call right now. I don't really like this call action too much. I use this action for example, with our AI agent software. We use AI calling, which is way more better. This is more expensive. It's actually a premium action. We actually use that, but you need to connect it to our assistant ID first. And to make this work, I like to use this call is not an AI call. This is just, for example, this call if a contact been assigned to a user and it just make this whisper call and just say, hey, our company is calling you, but it's not an AI call, and it just call your agent as well and try connect the two people. We used to use this back in the day, but it's so outdated. Right, so now we're using AI call, which is, you know, an AI will pick up and call, but this is not an AI call. So it's just do exactly what I tell it to do. Wait until day 2. It's do a pretty good job, but like, you know, call me old fashioned. I like to do it the old school way. So we're gonna scrape all of this, and this is when the Facebook come from. We're gonna delete all of this. Very easy to do. You could click in here and delete all action from here, right? And so when Facebook form come in, what I like to do is I like to do WhatsApp. And then I will do SMS. And normally in SMS, I say, hey, is this contact first name? I want to make sure I have the right phone number, right? So basically just get like the most response, and it's actually qualifying straight away whether this is a good lead or fake lead. And then, you know, what the AI didn't do is that it didn't have a conditional branch. We're just going to add call, which is the call that you saw. And then we're going to add email as well. We can add email verification or just email sending, whichever. Well, right, we can send email. Just gonna put FF here. So when the lead come in, it's really good practice to verify email and SMS. And the way we verify SMS is by sending this text. You know, is this the right phone number to contact you? And we can add email verification as well if you want. And again, like this is just to make sure like you're getting quality lead for your client, you know, or whatever that may be. But what I like to do, because we're building this ourselves, we can add a condition here if someone replied to SMS. So I would move SMS down here, and I'll just add a condition. If contact reply, waiting for SMS. Hang on, sorry. It has to be wait first. My bad. And we're going to be waiting for contact to reply. Right. And then you can add a branch. Again, like guys, like this is, I don't want this to be a full tutorial video. We already make an in-depth video about this. Make sure that you check the link in the description or click this video. But don't do it yet. Let me just get through this condition first. And then you just say contact reply. We've done this so many times. My contact reply is true. And then you create two branch. Now, when is contact reply and not reply? We literally make an in-depth video, and our snapshot is way more sophisticated. So if you don't want to do everything, just literally sign up for the free course. You get this whole snapshot built for you for up to 21 days or something like that. Okay, so this is the speed to lead kind of workflow. Like business owner need this. Okay, most business owner when they run ad on Google or Facebook or TikTok or anything like that, they literally wait for like a few hours or sometimes a few days to even call the lead. This come in, especially with AI agents, you're gonna make them so much money, and you are justified to be charging them thousands of dollars for it. Like the value is clearly there because all of these are set to be immediately after the form fill in. There's no wait time, right? And follow up on day 2, day 3 until we got a response. Now the second workflow is very similar. We call it a database reactivation workflow. Like I said, we have a template about this. You can see, again, you can use AI to build it, but this is one of the template that we have. It doesn't have any trigger, so you have to download all of the file, all of this CSV contact list, and you upload into GoHighLevel, and you would just manually add people onto this workflow. So they would receive an SMS, say, hey, the housing market is extremely hot right now. We're getting a 8 to 12% rental yield. Would you like a free market update on where your equity lies? Maybe can help with refinance and sell or buy your property, right? And this is just a very, very simple workflow, but you know, we are actually update this to have more branch right now. But if you run people through this, business owner doesn't care about AI agents or automation. That's kind of like the point of this video, and try to get the point across, right? Is that what they want is that they want something that is simple, that work, and especially lastly, they want something that make them money. So running this tag that hit the target audience, that hit the avatar, that get them reply, that get them conversation, and that get appointment that translate to sales, that's all they care about, right? And a lot of this stuff are very, very simple. And the way that you build this is kind of like the same as the last workflow, right? Very, very similar, very, very similar. It's just this one does not have any trigger. You have to manually add people into it. Again, we'll also make a video about that. Check the link in the description. The last workflow is the appointment reminder and confirmation workflow, right? So when real estate agent actually have a conversation with someone, and not talking about real estate agent, talk about business in general, right? Dentist, chiropractor, when someone book something with a dentist, they want to get reminder because people are busy. People can be forgetful all the time. They have 3 cats, 2 dogs, and 5 different kids running around, right? This is the trigger. When appointment status is confirmed, we send our agent, which is internal notification, say, hey, this guy had booked this appointment at this time, right? Just an action step. And we create opportunity, we add tag, and we send them confirmation email, right? Again, it's very professional because like, have you ever went to some business that doesn't have this and you just book an appointment and nothing comes through your phone? It's so unprofessional. You lost a lot of trust. So coming here, notification, this is the confirmation part. And then up to 1 hour before the appointment, we send them a reminder on SMS, email, and WhatsApp. We can all actually add WhatsApp in here. And what we do for our business in general, we do email, SMS, WhatsApp, and AI call. So all you have to do is really just go in here and add the action, right? So we can add WhatsApp and AI call, but we can't do that because this is a demo account. All right. Okay. So these are 3 workflow and automation that you can really sell to business owner for a lot of money. And again, it's very easy to build. You do it once, it works forever. That means you can be charging people forever to keep this, to maintain this. You can do this from any platform. You don't have to use HighLevel. The concept are the same. I'm showing you the structure right now. You could just literally just copy it into Zapier, N8N, or whatever that you want to do with Cloud Code. HighLevel is just so simple, so easy. And that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions. Check out our free course in the description. You get all the snapshot, you get all the bonus, you get the community, weekly trainings, and our support as well. This is Rico Kang. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop in a comment, any question, and I'll see you on the next one.